Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Today we're going to learn something about pioneer life in Florida. Has anybody heard of what a pioneer is? No? So this is going to be something completely new for everyone, which I pretty much expected. So, to start, let's think of how we want to do this one. If you like to go to Sky Zone, right? Is that what it's called? Sky Zone.
Yes.
You're gonna say the red.
Okay.
All right. If you prefer going to
Urban Air.
all right, you're gonna do the black one. You're gonna be doing the black one. Okay. So if you like Sky Zone red, Urban Air black. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
We will use the four mathematical operations to solve water distance including problems involving simple decimals.
Okay, so we will use 4 mathematical operations to solve word problems involving distances, intervals of time, and money, including problems involving simple decimals. Stuff you guys already learned in math this school year. All right, all my Urban Air, go. We will describe the pioneer life in Florida. All right, Sky Zone. We will produce clear and coherent writing. All right, Urban Air. We will work as a group to create a presentation. All right, so that is our objectives for the day. So we're going to be doing a little bit of math, a little bit of social studies, and a group work presentation where everybody will have a different task that they're doing for the presentation today. Okay, so a very exciting day. First, we're going to watch what a day in the life of a pioneer child looks like in Florida. Okay, boys in the back, pay attention. Video, Josiah.
School.
How she went to school and prepared for school even? Is that what you're gonna say?
No.
Oscar?
They made food.
They made the food? Chizram? How they played? Tamara, I'm not sure. You're raising your
I
hand.
was gonna say how to make the food, but
What about making the food? How does it seem? Damar?
A lot of work.
Right, they're not just going to the grocery store and picking up the food, right? Amaya?
It's like how different they are from now.
Yeah. Yeah, back then versus now. Jayla?
Yeah, like they're making everything from scratch. Like they're churning the butter.
Yep. Everything's coming from scratch, right? Even from fetching the wood to warm up the dinner. Okay, everything is coming from them. They have to go and get it. All right, this is going to social studies and clicking on Pioneer link. Social studies Pioneer link.
I got a lot of men.
You're going to use the Pioneer link to help you answer the questions on your worksheet. Some of them you don't need the link for, and some of them you do. So the front side, mostly these first few questions are all a math problem. Be careful and check what they're asking you, like for number 1. How many miles is it from Kissimmee to Tallahassee and back? So you need to figure out how many miles is it to get there and to get back. Go ahead and get started. Click on the Pioneer link. It'll take you to a link that'll help you answer questions on the back side. Yep. But answer the questions first, and then if you need to reference that, that's there to help you. Just everything on this side where it says a brief history. It is. Click on the little, it's on the top. It'll say Pioneer link. Click on that. Oh, sorry. So look up here. When you get to Schoology, right, you're clicking Pioneer link. Oops, on my computer. And then you're clicking this link up at the top. This is the actual link, and it's going to take you to this page. Okay, so up top here, when you click on Pioneer link, you're clicking there. And you're using that page to help you answer questions on your worksheet. So your worksheets are here. Pass them out. Make sure everybody's got a worksheet in front of them.
That's a lot, bro. Ooh, NBA.
You're taking a pre-quiz. I'm not recording this as a grade, but if I need to open up the grade books and do so.
Said which animal would have not been a threat to pioneers, Amaya?
No.
Alright, so we're over here in Schoology, and we're clicking on data 1. Data 1 on the bottom. Here is where we're going to start working on our group projects, okay? As a group, I need everybody listening because I'm not going to go through instructions 4 or 5 times, Jayla. All right? All listening, and you guys will tell Amaya when she gets back what we're doing. You're looking and you're deciding which city is the best pioneer city in Florida. Okay, you're going to decide with your group based off of the data set 1 and 2. There's 2 data sets. Data set 1 and 2. DeMar, just leave them there. I'll put them up. Everybody is going to decide who does what for the project. This first paper, look up here. This first paper I'm going to hand out tells you what needs to go onto the PowerPoint presentation. Every group will have a PowerPoint. This is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. DeMar, I don't have your attention. Everything here will be what you put on your presentation. So it's going to be, listen please, where is the city located? What are the best crops near that city? What was the worst predators in the area? What was the best way to travel in that area? And is the city inland or is it near a body of water? All right, so you're only gonna have 5 slides to answer these questions here. All right, every group will be turning in a presentation. Also, with the presentation is you are going to try and get clients, right, or people that want to buy things to come to your pioneer city. So you're going to say, what are some of the problems in your city? Who are the clients that you want to come visit your city? What is the client asking your team to do? Are you going to build a house for them? Are you going to build a mall for them? What is it? What things do you need to include in your solution? Do you think that there's more than one correct answer the client is asking? Why or why not? And is there any additional information you need to complete this task? So you're thinking about your pioneer city. This paper is labeled number 1 because I want you to work on this paper first with your group and then work on paper number 2. Okay, paper number 2 is you're writing a letter to the person that you want to come to your pioneer city, all right? It says, Dear Mrs. Florida, thank you for the additional information. Taking the new data into account, right, the data set, our team has chose blank city and has determined you should choose blank city as the best pioneer city. We now rank the cities in order from best to worst using these categories, all right? So you're gonna rank these cities from best to worst on these lines here, and why? We changed our procedure after we received our new data. Our new procedure we used to come up with these ratings was, right? How did you come up with the ratings for the cities? Sincerely, team, and what team number are you? So by the end of this class, right, we have 1 hour to work. I should be receiving a PowerPoint presentation from you. I should be receiving paper 1 filled out and paper 2, okay?
I will. Yes. Yes.
who's gonna do what and what city are you gonna pick. Alright? And when you pick, I want you to write on this board team and what city you're doing. Okay? You're gonna write up there, what is your team doing? Which city? And we cannot all do the same city. Yeah.
So what do you want to go down?